So if you're a student right now and you feel broke all the time, this video is for you. Yeah, the truth is you don't need a job to start making money as a student. You just need the right approach. And in this video, I'm going to show you simple ways you can start making money, even if you have no experience and no capital. Okay? Yeah, so let's start with the first one. The first way is selling your notes. Yes. This is one of the easiest way to start, especially if you're already attending classes. If you take clean, organized notes, there are always students who either missed class or don't understand the topic, and they are willing to pay for good summaries. You can sell your notes as PDFs on WhatsApp, or even print and sell them physically. You don't even need to be the smartest person. You just need to be clear and organized. Now, the second way is managing social media pages. A lot of small businesses are on Instagram and on WhatsApp, and they don't have time to post consistently. Yeah, this is where you come in. You can offer to help them post content daily. You can reply to their messages, you upload their products, just dominate their social media. Be very consistent on their social media with posting their products, advertising their products, posting and replying messages. Yeah, and you don't need experience to do that. You have your phone, so you can just start by messaging small business owners and offering to help them for a small fee. Yeah, even if you charge a little at first. Yeah, with time it will add up, it will count. Yeah, with time you can start increasing your prices. When you start doing well and you're getting more trusts, yeah, you can increase your price or whatever you charge. So yeah, the third way is offering simple services online. Yeah, you don't need high level skills to start. You can offer typing assignments for your fellow students, typing projects, typing editing videos using free apps. You can design simple flyers. These are free tools that make this very, very easy to learn. You can start small and then you improve as you go. So the fourth way is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means you promote someone else's product, and when someone buys through you or through your link, you get a commission. Yeah. So you just have to, you can do this using WhatsApp status, Telegram, or even short videos. Yeah. You don't need to create your own products or have your own products or go buying your own products. You just help sell existing ones. You just help people sell their own or advertise their own products. Now the fifth way is reselling. Yeah, just like I said before, you don't need your own products. You don't need to start saving money to go get or to go buy your own products. You can just find a seller, bargain, strike a deal with them. You can post their products. Then you can even add your own profit. Yeah. For example, if the seller is a shoe vendor, if it's a shoe vendor and you want to advertise a sneaker that's worth 25,000 naira to them, you can sell it for 28,000, and the whatever profit you add to it is yours. So yeah, when someone orders, you connect them to the seller. It's simple. When they pay the seller pays you your profit. It doesn't require capital. It doesn't require you saving up money or looking for money or something. So now let me tell you something important. Most students don't fail because there are no opportunities. Because there are plenty of opportunities. You just have to look in the right places. They fail because they wait too long to start. They procrastinate. Yeah. They wait too long. They want to leave it for tomorrow, for next week, for next year. Oh, let me start next year. Let me start next month. Secondly, they think they need money first, but they don't. Most of these opportunities I mentioned here, you don't need capital first. You can do them without capital, and you make your money. So, and the third one is that most people are afraid of looking inexperienced. You understand? They don't want people to say, oh, you don't have experience in this thing, you're just starting this. But everyone starts inexperienced. Yeah, with time you learn, you adjust, you grow, and you become better, and you gain experience. So the difference is some people start anyway, while some people just delay and procrastinate. So here is what I want you to do after watching this video. Pick one method from this list that I've given you. I've given you 5 lists. Pick just one and start today. Don't wait until you feel ready or until it's right in your spirit. No, because the truth is you will never feel ready to start something you haven't really started before or you don't know so much about. But just start somewhere. Motivation will come, strength will come, ideas will come, and experience will follow. And with time, you start making it little by little. So, if this video helped you, make sure you like, you subscribe to my channel, and you can drop a comment. I'll be sharing more simple ways to make money and improve your life. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.